Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really fast step-by-step guide of how to file an LLC as well as get your EIN number in the state of New Jersey. So this is going to be about 5 minutes, and within that time you're going to have created and getting your process started with having an LLC. So to get started, click the link in the description below and it's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙀𝗏𝗏𝑔𝑡𝑠 website. All right, so first we're going to start off with clicking our state of New Jersey. And what is your business name? So I do mobile eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type my business name in. All right, we're just going to hit next here. And what stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm already in business, but you can select whatever best applies for you. And this part doesn't really affect anything, so no worries if you click the wrong one. All right, and then you're gonna put what industry your business is in. So if you're not really sure, maybe you think it could fall into a few different categories, you can start to type, you see I type in E, look how many options come up. I mean, it's like unlimited things. So I'm going to take eyelash extensions. That fits best for me. And are you selling a physical good or a service? So for me, it's a service. I'm providing a service. If you have something that's not a product or a service, you can type that in down here. But most of the time, you'll be choosing between these two. All right. And are you planning to hire employees? For me, it's just myself. So no, I'm not. But let's say I wanted to change my mind. I decide I do want to hire employees. I can change this at any time. It will not affect your LLC. So let's hit next. All right, you're going to type in your zip code. And are you selling mostly online? Or do you have a shop or store that you're selling in? Or maybe you're on the go. If you do a few of these things, you can select the one that you're primarily using. So let's say for me, let's say I create a website, but also I'm doing a service. My main business is the service. So for me, I'm going to click on the go. And what are you planning to do for your business? So like I said, I definitely recommend doing the EIN number here as well. So we're going to select both the LLC and the EIN, just make sure they're both highlighted. And the EIN is basically like your social security number for your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So it's just super important to have that. And I like the Taylor brands. You can just do it all in one. Like, we're just going to get it all done with today, so we don't have to worry about it. We can get that out of the way, and it just makes it so much easier. And you can see here too, if you'd like any of these other things, maybe you'd like, you need a trademark, you need some sort of license or permit, insurance. Taylor Brands offers all of this for you. So it's really cool. If we're going to do this just today, but let's say you want to go back in and get one of these other things on here, you can do that. They are basically like your one-stop shop for everything business related. So let's hit next. And this is just asking what you've done already. You can click any of these if you want, or you can just skip. I'm going to skip. And you found Taylor Brands through this YouTube video, so we're going to click YouTube. All right, so this is just offering a free 12-week program through Taylor Brands. If you want to join it, great, it's free, why not? I'm going to click no, but it's totally up to you. And then you're just going to type in your personal information. Your email. And your secret password. All right, so again, this is just talking to you about your EIN. So would you like Taylor Brands to do your EIN for you? We would like that. Like I said, it's just so much easier. If you want to do it yourself, you can. It's just more to figure out and more to learn. And I just feel like, if you're getting your business started, there's no point of risking making mistakes. So we'll just have Taylor Brands do it for us. They do charge $99 to do that for you, but it just makes it way easier. We're going to hit next. And registered agent. So most of the time, you will be your own registered agent. Now, there is an exception. Let's say you don't live in the state that you're filing an LLC for. In that case, you will need to appoint a registered agent. This is something you can talk to your accountant about and figure out how to go from there. Or you can have Taylor Brands do it for you, and they'll charge you $199, and then you can get that all situated. But for the most part, especially if you're just starting your business and you live in the state that your LLC is being created, you will be your own, so you can select, I'll appoint a different registered agent. We're going to hit yes, we're sure. And what this means is, so your LLC, you need to renew it every single year. So it won't automatically renew. You'll need to refile and renew it every single year. If you don't, you can lose the name of your business. Someone else could take it and you'd have to start over with a new business name. Or you have to refile it. It's just more money, and it's even more of a pain once you have to refile it. So if you are worried that you might forget about it, Taylor Brands can renew that for you every single year for $199. It's a great option. I mean, especially once you get started, you're busy, you have so many things in your mind, this is a cool option to have. I'm going to click I'll handle the compliance just to save a little bit of money. So you just have to remember, if you're handling it yourself, you've got to renew it every single year. Let's hit next. And they're offering a branding toolkit. I'm going to click no. And would you like your LLC created and sent to you in 2 days? It's an expedited filing fee of $49. Yes, I definitely want this. You know, I'm excited about my business. I want to get started right away. So for this, I'm going to pay that extra $49 to have it done in 2 days. But if you are in no rush, you know, it doesn't really, like I said, you're in no rush for it. You can do the 14 days, about 2 weeks to get to you. And then there's that no extra $49 filing fee. But we're going to do the expedited 2 days. All right. And operating agreement. You don't have to worry about that. I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this part, what this is that Taylor Brands offers to basically manage all of your books, financing, any of your financial stuff for your business. Taylor Brands can handle that all for you. So let's say math isn't your strong point, or you just don't want to make any mistakes when you're filing your numbers and doing all the math. They can do it for you. I don't know the total cost, to be honest with you, but you can do a free trial, test it out, see if you like it. For me, my business, I have a small business. It's just myself working, so I'm going to be managing my books and invoices. But like I said, definitely a cool option that they have that there for you. And let's get notified. So click that. All right. So which plan would you like to choose? You can read over these. They have a ton of different options to select. We really just need this light plan. It's $0 extra. So we're just getting we're just paying for what we're getting. We're getting the LLC. We're paying for the EIN. So let's click that. All right. So now this is a breakdown of what we're actually getting today. So to start, your LLC, the New Jersey state filing fee for an LLC is $129. This is a reoccurring fee. Anytime if you create an LLC in New Jersey, it's going to be this. So let's say you make 5 more businesses, you would need to pay $129 for each of those businesses to create an LLC. They're also including a free business coaching program. We have our expedited filing fee of $49 to get it in 2 days. You can see this part is not highlighted, so you don't have to pay that. And your EIN, $99. Like I said, just recommend getting it all in one right here. And you're going to fill out your credit card information. And that's it. This was so fast and easy. So after you fill out your credit card info, they're going to ask you a few more things like your address, your name, like really simple personal questions like that. So make sure you complete everything. And that's it, you guys. You've literally created and done the steps to create your LLC. It's going to be sent to you in 2 days along with your EIN number, and you are one step closer to having a super successful business. So I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.